Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the key to on or pressing start so the instrument cluster powers up. Once active, immediately press the steering wheel menu or the trip button to open the cluster menu. You want to get into user settings or units now. This is the fastest route because the temperature unit lives in the cluster options, not in audio. Make sure you can see the small display between the dials. That visibility guides the next presses. Once inside user settings, scroll through with the directional buttons until you hit units or display. You want to find temperature specifically. Highlight it and press OK. When presented with Fahrenheit or Celsius, choose Celsius and press OK again. This toggles the gauge and cluster readouts. You'll see degrees appear on the center display right away, which confirms success. If you need to, repeat navigation slowly. The controls are responsive, but sometimes require a firm press to register. Exit back to the main cluster and verify both outside temp and cabin readouts display degrees C. Once done, drive a short distance to confirm the change persists after ignition cycles. If the change didn't stick, make sure you completed the OK confirmations, then cycle the ignition and try again. Should the cluster lack a units option, or if settings reset, contact a dealer for a quick software update. That usually resolves missing menu items and ensures the temperature unit is saved correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.